Hi, I'm Sophie,
And I'm Precious.
and today we are going to tell you about App W, which stands for Wellbeing. And W is an app that combines both a fitness tracker and a mood journal, as well as a social platform where people can also communicate with each other. So mental health.
Sorry about that.
I didn't say mine. You didn't have to did you? Yeah, I did. Oh, sorry.
Sorry about that. Our aim is to give the users the space so that we are able to monitor their physical and mental well-being. We've also concluded 2 solutions, but we've made it into one, which is more accessible and simple to use.
Mental health affects 1 in 4 people in the UK, and 1 in 6 people report experiencing a common mental health problem in any given week, according to the Charity Mind.
In 2007, 75% of suicides were men. For many men, mental health was a taboo topic, and there was more. Sorry. There has been more awareness around this issue, which eradicates the stigma around mental health.
Included in our app, we'll have a page where I have links for a range of different mental health and physical conditions. Within this, there will be some aimed at just men, as well as other ones for certain groups of people and general ones. Those are a few examples of the ones we'll have.
When you log into our app, the first thing that you will see is the login page. For the sign up page, we were supposed to make a forget button for a forget password. So if you forget your password, you can just put your email address and then it will just send a request to your link. Email, which will send you a link. Sorry about that.
When you log into the app, you'll either use your email and password that you set up originally, or you'll be able to set up in the settings to use a fingerprint ID for added security.
When you log in, this will be the first page that you will see. There's 4 different options. There's the mood, the social, the fitness, and the about W. Whereas when you click the mood, which we will show you during the following of the slides, we will show you what each of these steps represent.
With the whole design of the app, we wanted to keep it to a minimalistic design, so it's simple but also catching the user's eye as well, and it makes it so that it's easy for users to learn how to use it straight away and navigate the app easily.
Our app offers a social hub where users are able to make their own personal entries, where fellow users are able to read and comment on. This hub creates a dialogue between people about their own well-being.
In this page, people, when you create a post, you'll have the option to add hashtags to it, which will make it more organized and help others who want to search for posts for similar topics. They can use the search bar at the top to find that. Posts will also be highly moderated, and certain words will be tagged inappropriate language, but also some trigger words like goodbye or something that may suggest that someone is going to harm themselves or others. So it will go into pending, and they'll get a pop-up after it's been moderated to see what's happening. On this page, people will be able to make custom posts. This is the personal page, so everything posted here will be private to just the user. No one else will have access to this unless they have their password. They will be able to use the emojis already listed, but they'll also have a custom button where they can choose their own emoji and what it represents to them, so they can use. So they can add physical stuff there as well if they wanted to. We included a search bar to navigate between the entries, where you can search the timestamp to get it from a certain day or a certain emotion that you want to read back on.
As mental health is increasing and improving each day, we hope that our app can be beneficial to all. The several benefits that we have made for this journal is that you will be able to achieve your goals, you will be more confident in what you do, you will gain emotional intelligence, and we just believe that having that benefit can actually help you as a person, and it will like bring you out more.
In the mood journal part, we've added an I'm not okay button. This is aimed at individuals who may not just be able to write down their feelings. They may need immediate help and to talk to someone straight away. So when this button is clicked, it will bring up a list of numbers for crisis lines, so they can get in touch with them, and they'll be able to call any of these numbers and speak about their feelings in confidence. This will include ones like Childline, Samaritans, and Sane Line. Physical activity is also beneficial to your mental health and well-being.
On this page, users can select as many tiles as they want, which will cover a physical aspect of the steps, on how many minutes you've taken a walk for, how much water you've consumed, how much calories you've burned, and it will also monitor your heart rate.
To make this easier for users, we would make our app compatible with a range of smart devices like smartwatches, earphones, and it can be compatible with the health app too. This is so that it can automatically record data, making it easier for the user and making it less of a tiring thing and more of a habit to look after their well-being. Since our target audience is young people, we would use social media platforms to advertise the apps like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. For the reflections, we've had a lot of problems throughout this entire project. Like Julia said, we lost quite a few members, and now it's down to just us two. But we both managed to adapt to the changes and persevere to the very end. And for me personally, I have a lot of problems with public speaking, and I'm not very good at presenting. So just being able to be here today to present has helped me a lot. I've also learned a lot of skills like timekeeping, organisation skills, and I think my communication skills have improved quite a bit.
Okay. My reflection was that I really wanted to give up with this project. Like, it was draining me out to the point that I was losing my mind. But I decided not to. I wanted to be a representative to all the women out there that are constantly told that they are not intelligent enough, that they are not smart enough to be in the IT industry, which is totally wrong, because we're here. And that is why Sophie and I are here to make a stand that you can do anything if you put your mind to it. To be honest, failure was never an option for us. Nobody's dream has an expiring date. So if you want to pursue something in life, do it. Don't care about who's watching you. Just be who you want to be. Okay, thank you.